Imagine your dog or cat bouncing back from stubborn pain. Without a single pill, just pulses of light. Sounds futuristic, right?
I love that picture. Today, we're cracking open the world of laser field therapy and laser acupuncture for pets. I'm here to share what's behind the buzz, and spoiler, it's not science fiction.
We'll walk through how these high-tech lasers work, why vets use them for pain, and some real protocols in action.
Plus, we'll spotlight the top acupuncture points for pain, explain the ABCs of orthopedic laser technique, and help you understand when laser therapy can beat meds for your pet's aching back.
Before we get to protocols, what's actually happening when a laser device is used on a pet? I mean, it's not just a fancy flashlight, right?
Definitely not. Devices like the IR 904 nanometers impulse diode fire energy deep into tissues, think joints, muscles, tendons, to trigger healing at the cellular level. The light energy jumpstarts local metabolism, reduces inflammation, and even relaxes overworked muscles.
So, it's more than pain blocking, it actually helps restore mobility and health to those painful spots?
Exactly. And the best part is, it's non-invasive and can work where medications sometimes fall short, especially for chronic pain or when you want to avoid side effects.
That's fascinating. But I notice these lasers have different frequency profiles, like Profile 3 and Profile 2. What's the deal with those?
Great catch. Profile 3 is all about pain. It's used for general relaxation and releasing muscle tension. After that, Profile 2 comes in for chronic or stubborn issues, firing up tissue regeneration and breaking up deep-seated stiffness.
So, for a limping dog with a stiff leg, you'd use Profile 3 to relax things first, then Profile 2 to encourage healing?
That's exactly the sequence. Apply both directly over sore muscles or joints, and you get a 1-2 punch for pain relief and long-term recovery.
Let's dig into the ABC Protocol. It sounds like a laser therapy roadmap for pets with orthopedic pain.
It really is. First, you start with No Gear A to activate the body's regulatory systems. That basically primes the tissues for everything that comes next.
Then, No Gear B boosts metabolism, helping the cells repair themselves. And No Gear C calms and balances muscle tone, right?
Spot on. Finally, you wrap up with No Gear E, or the bar 8 frequency. That's your targeted pain relief and deep relaxation stage. The protocol is methodical and keeps the treatment holistic.
I've always wondered, how do ancient acupuncture points fit into all this high-tech therapy?
Here's the cool part. Laser acupuncture targets the same classic points, like LU7 for the head and neck, or BL40 for the hips and back. Instead of needles, you use laser energy to activate healing and pain pathways.
So if a cat has back pain, you might use GV3 or BL60, the famous aspirin point, to dial down pain and restore energy flow?
Absolutely. And combining those points with the right laser frequencies can speed up recovery, balance the body's energy, and even help pets who don't tolerate needles.
That actually reminds me, some studies show laser therapy outperforms traditional pain meds for back pain in dogs and cats. Why is that?
One big reason is that laser therapy tackles pain from multiple angles. It reduces inflammation, calms nerve irritation, relaxes tense muscles, and even helps regulate the body's own painkillers like endorphins.
And it doesn't just mask pain, it addresses things like trigger points, segmental mobility, and energetic balance, all at once.
Exactly, and because it's non-drug, you're not adding side effects or worrying about long-term medication risks, especially in older pets or those with sensitive stomachs.
Let's wrap up with 3 takeaways. First, laser field therapy provides targeted, drug-free pain relief for pets with musculoskeletal issues.
Second, customizing the protocol using frequency profiles and acupuncture points means you can treat both acute pain and stubborn chronic stiffness.
Third, laser therapy doesn't just block pain. It supports tissue healing, muscle relaxation, and energetic balance.
If your pet is struggling with pain or mobility, talk to a vet who offers laser therapy. Ask about frequency protocols and whether laser acupuncture could be a good fit. It might just be the missing piece in your pet's recovery.